On a changé de coin. Dernièrement, on était à Chiclana de la Frontera pour une session rock fishing lors de notre séjour en Espagne avec Morgan. Et aujourd'hui, hier en tout cas, on est remonté quasiment au nord de l'Espagne, à côté du Portugal. Aujourd'hui, on rencontre Marcos.
Hello guys.
Marcos, you told me the fishing was tough.
Yeah, really tough.
This last day. So, what's the plan today?
Today we are going to try to catch some pikes. Hopefully, maybe we can try another species because here there are sander, barbel, bass too, and we will see.
Okay.
Fishing is fishing, and
Yeah, we'll see. It's gonna be hard to fish today, maybe, but let's go. How do you fish pike here?
at this moment really deep.
Really deep.
Yeah,
Because of the weather, the
Yeah.
hot weather?
yeah, they are around 15 meters.
Okay.
More or less. There are someone maybe 10, 12,
Okay.
and even some one of them deeper,
Okay.
even 20, even more. But
Ah, yeah.
I don't like to fish so or too much deep
Yeah.
because it's a bit difficult
Yeah.
for them and
Ah, yeah, you
we
know,
don't-
for the pike health.
yeah,
When you
sure,
retrieve
sure,
it.
yeah.
Okay. Like
It's-
Zenders and
yeah, similar. So we have to take care
take
of
care. Yeah. Great.
that thing. Okay,
Mm-mm.
let's go.
Okay. And by the way, thanks again to invite us on the lake. It's great to meet you and to fish with you.
The same for me. This is
Okay.
a fish, probably a barbel. This is another one.
Ah, yeah.
When the lure go down and it's really close to
Okay.
those points,
Like.
Take care.
Okay. Like over there.
this is, yeah.
Okay. I should let it sink to the bottom or it depends?
Yeah,
You
it
don't
depends
know.
on
Okay.
how you are fishing and your feeling too.
Okay. And for barbers, what kind of animation should I do?
Barbels here, if they are eating,
Yeah.
they
They,
can attack
Ah, yeah.
things like that, even more, even bigger.
Ah, yeah.
On this lake,
Okay.
they are really aggressive. I love fishing for a child,
Yeah.
and that was something that in my mind always,
Ah, yeah.
maybe I can try it. In Spain, it's really difficult to find something interesting.
Ah, yeah.
I thought it's now or never.
Okay.
So
Nice. It's a nice challenge.
it's a nice challenge, but I know that it's too difficult.
Yeah. Okay.
But I believe in me.
Yeah, yeah.
I love what I'm doing, so
Suerte, like
Suerte?
you say it in
yeah,
Spain.
suerte. Yeah.
Suerte.
Thank you very much. I hope that I don't need
Yeah.
that.
Yeah,
suerte.
True.
Suerte come.
Why not?
Yeah.
You have to take it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Pike.
fish hunt. That's a great one, no?
I don't know.
You want to take the?
Yeah, I get it.
Oh.
Marcos vient de toucher un poisson. On sait pas trop ce que c'est encore pour l'instant.
No. It's a definite bad one.
Wow,
No big one.
oh, it's a great one.
Take it, Florian.
Yeah.
Take it. No. Yeah.
Great,
Yeah, Florian. Come on.
that's a great one.
No, it's a.
No,
It's
that's
a-
not a great one.
No.
That's
no.
a-
It's a
Nice one.
quality, yeah, a quality fish, but here they are really good.
Ah, yeah.
But yeah. This is a
Nice
stud,
pike, yeah.
no?
Nice pike. They are fat. Allez, on change de spot. Marcos a pris un beau brochet. Donc là on file sur un nouveau spot à la recherche d'autres poissons. C'est parti. I have a good feeling on this spot. Oh my
Did you see that?
god!
Did you see it?
He surprised me.
Oh. Again?
Yeah, at the drop.
Barbels,
Ah yeah.
the big one, mainly.
Yeah, again?
Missed one, yeah. At the drop.
Come on, Florian.
Too much missing. Oh!
Oh,
Okay.
fuck.
Crack!
Yeah.
Yeah. It was a pike,
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
It was not a barbel.
Come on, fishies. Do you have any song in French for calling them?
No, not really. Not even a dance, not even a song.
You should. Maybe?
Pikey, 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 pikey. I don't know.
Do you know in Spanish is Lucio?
Lucio.
Lucio.
Lucio. And Zender in Spanish, what is it?
Lucio Perca.
Ah,
It's
Lucio
a
Perca.
mixture between.
Bon, les brochets là, ils font la sieste. Le soleil est maintenant bien haut. Il fait très chaud, les brochets répondent plus du tout, ils répondaient déjà pas beaucoup. Donc là, Marcos m'a proposé d'aller peut-être essayer de faire du bass. Donc moi je suis chaud. Vous l'avez compris, à ce moment-là de la journée, on est bloqué en plein milieu du lac. Le moteur ne veut pas redémarrer. On ne sait pas ce qu'on va faire. Donc là, bien sûr, je ne filmais pas à ce moment-là. On n'avait pas trop la tête à ça. C'est pour ça que je pense que c'est important que je puisse vous expliquer ce qu'il s'est passé à ce moment précis de la journée. Marcos, depuis le début de la journée, il est super souriant, de super bonne humeur. Et là, il prend un air tout de suite très grave, on comprend qu'il y a quelque chose qui va pas et que c'est pas juste une petite panne quoi. Donc là, deux solutions se présentent à nous. C'est utiliser le moteur électrique, sauf qu'on est beaucoup trop loin du point de départ, là où il y a les voitures. Et en fait, ça sera impossible de revenir jusqu'au point de départ avec le moteur électrique, il n'y aura pas suffisamment de batterie. Deuxième solution, au loin, il y a un village donc à l'opposé des voitures. On l'aperçoit là où on est en bateau. Donc la solution, c'est d'aller jusqu'à ce village, demander de l'aide, se faire peut-être déposer en autostop au point de départ, revenir avec la voiture pour récupérer le bateau. Enfin voilà, c'est pareil, grosse galère. Donc avant d'opter pour cette solution, en fait la seule solution qui serait envisageable à ce moment-là, Marcos appelle la société qui lui a vendu le moteur, parce qu'il faut savoir que le moteur est neuf, le bateau aussi, tout à 2 mois. Donc c'est un problème qui survient comme ça, et c'est un problème d'usine, quoi. On peut pas du tout le prévoir. L'entreprise conseille à Marcos 2-3 manipulations sur le bateau, rien n'y fait, le moteur ne redémarre pas. Donc là, il reste plus qu'une solution, c'est essayer de démarrer peut-être le moteur manuellement. Heureusement, Marcos a une corde sur son bateau. Il va l'enrouler autour du moteur pour essayer en fait de démarrer le moteur manuellement. Donc, est-ce que ça va fonctionner ? On l'espère. En tout cas, si ça ne fonctionne pas, la journée risque d'être très compliquée. La situation peut même devenir vite dangereuse parce que si on n'arrive pas à rejoindre la berge en bateau, ça peut être vraiment une grosse galère. Donc je vous laisse tout de suite retourner à la vidéo. C'est parti. Now?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
J'ai trop peur qu'il se coupe.
Great job. One shot. Nice. Donc là ce qu'on fait c'est que on choisit la solution de sécurité. Malheureusement on n'aura pas pu pêcher comme on le voulait. On voulait aller pêcher le bass juste après là, mais voilà, les problèmes arrivent sans prévenir.
It's live.
Yeah, it's
and
live.
fishing we have been a problem.
It's a shame because your engine is brand new.
Yeah,
It's just a
everything
factory
is
problem.
something that happens and
Yeah.
you can do
And
anything. At least
yeah,
we have managed for repair
yeah,
for,
at least.
and we can back at car and
Yes, because we were quite far from the car.
Yeah.
So at least
we have been really bad.
Yeah.
Some moments, and mainly for you, because I would like to finish the day on a very different way, but we
It's
can
life.
do nothing.
Yeah, we can do
Yeah.
nothing. We have do the best.
Maybe we can catch more fish.
mhm.
We have
Some
been
bites.
some bites.
Mhm.
You broke one pike, and maybe I think that this afternoon could be better. But at this moment we can
Yeah.
do anything. Now it's time to come back
Yeah.
at home.
It could be the occasion to restart.
Yeah,
and
maybe,
to do it
maybe-
again
maybe
with
this
more
is-
determination.
Yeah. Maybe this is a chance for
Yeah.
try in a good time and enjoy fishing
Yeah.
in
Anyway,
a good way.
Anyway, it was a pleasure to meet you.
The same for me.
Thanks. Do not hesitate to have a look on your website. It's BO
Yeah.
Fishing.
Yeah, BO Fishing. I'm fishing guide here on the north of Extremadura. Some lakes that are almost virgin and spoiled. You can enjoy pike, sander, bass, barbels. I think it's a really good place for fishing, for enjoy fishing.
The lake is amazing. The view, the scenery,
So-
really great.
Peace, relax.
Yeah. Well, it's time to go back to the car.
Yeah.
Let's do this. See you next time and have fun.
Thank you. Nice to meet you
Yeah. Ciao.
too. See you later.
Yeah. And thanks Morgan to filming
Yeah,
us.
of course.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.